Whitney Belkowitz, President and CEO of Intelligent Concrete, and today I am talking about the ideal client. So way back years ago when we first started our company, we sat down with one of my uncles who has a very successful pool building company in California, and he was like, you are not all of your clients are going to be those ideal clients. He's like, you're going to open up your portfolio and you're going to have some A's, some B's, there's probably going to be even some C's and D's, and as you progress in business, you're going to be able to be a lot more choosy in particular, but especially early on, you kind of take what you can get. So thankfully, we're getting to the point now where we're really able to, we're at that point where we can decide who it is that we want to work with, which I absolutely love. It's a great place to be. So I mean, those ideal clients, I would say they're ones who treat you with respect, because there's plenty who just think that they can talk to you however they want to talk to you, and that they're paying you so they're in charge. So as a consultant, I mean, you have to be flexible and accommodating and dynamic, but at the same time, there needs to be a mutual respect that goes back and forth. And the clients that we've had to kind of stand up to, in a sense, and just be like, that's not the way that we do business, and that's not the sort of relationship that we're going to have. A lot of them like kind of correct course, and I think have a different level of respect for us as their consultant and as a company, and then it winds up being a much more healthy relationship, I think, for everybody, honestly. Obviously, ones that pay their bills on time. Ones that, I don't know, I think recognize why they hired you and allow you to kind of just do what they hired you to do. Like, recognize that you're the expert in this or that, and just say, okay, here, this is what I need, what's the best approach? They allow you to do what they initially wanted you to do. And really, I mean, that communication, being able to just have a good back and forth, have mutual respect for each other. Boundaries, absolutely. Like, recognizing that you're busy and that, you will get to whatever is going on as quickly as possible, but on a holiday weekend or last minute stuff, sometimes you're not going to be able to immediately jump on something. So yeah, I think that respect, the boundaries. Haley, that was a great input there. I think that's really it, and I think your ideal client is going to be changed somewhat as your business grows. But honestly, it's that mutual respect, the boundaries, and definitely paying their bills in full and on time, because you would be surprised at how difficult that can be. Thankfully, we've got a great group, and everyone's really good about that. So I'm very thankful, because over the years there have been plenty who have had to just call and bug a lot about that, and that's incredibly frustrating. So like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete, beat asphalt.